Your skeleton is hiding a secret. Most of us think of our bones as the dead scaffolding of the body, hard, solid, unchanging rocks that just hold us up. But that is a lie. Your bones are actually a living, breathing electric network. Inside every single bone in your body, there is a hollow core filled with marrow, the factory of your blood and your immune system. And right now, for most people, that factory is running on low power. It is clogged with years of stress, inflammation, and what the ancient Daoists called stagnant wind. This stagnation is the silent thief of your vitality. It is why you feel deep fatigue that sleep cannot fix. It is why your joints get stiff as you age. The lights are on, but the voltage is low. Today, we are moving beyond muscles and tendons. We are leaving the external armor of the Yi Jin Jing behind and entering the internal laboratory of the Xi Sui Jing. We are going to learn the first forbidden protocol: bone breathing. This is the technique that turns the voltage back up. Science calls it the piezoelectric effect, the ability of bone to generate an electric charge when compressed. The Shaolin masters called it washing the marrow, but the mechanism is the same. We are going to use your breath and your intention to create a high-pressure wave that penetrates the solid walls of your bones and flushes out the decay from the inside out. Imagine your bones are like dry, dirty sponges. If you just pour water over them, the dirt stays trapped deep inside. To clean them, you have to squeeze. You have to create pressure. That is what we are going to do today. We are not just imagining light, we are creating somatic pressure. This practice is potent. It does not require you to sweat or lift heavy weights, but it requires a mental intensity that can be exhausting at first. You are trying to feel a part of your body that has been numb for decades. You might feel resistance. You might feel your mind trying to run away. That is normal. Stay with it. Because if you can break through that numbness, you unlock a reservoir of energy that most people die without ever tapping into. This is the foundation. Without bone breathing, the rest of the Xi Sui Jing is just empty movement. We are about to change the way you interact with your own biology. Forget about your muscles for the next 10 minutes. Forget about looking strong. Today, we are going to become sensitive. We are going to learn how to inhale, not just into our lungs, but into the very center of our femurs, our spine, and our skull. Are you ready to wake up the battery inside your bones? Let's begin. The most powerful movement is sometimes stillness. We are going to find a posture that allows your bones to act like antennas. You can sit on a chair, cross-legged on the floor, or stand in Wuji stance, feet shoulder-width apart, knees soft. The only non-negotiable rule is your spine. It must be vertical. Imagine a golden thread pulling the crown of your head towards the sky, lengthening the back of your neck. Tuck your chin slightly. Feel your vertebrae stacking one by one like coins. If your spine is collapsed, the signal cannot travel. If you are slumping, you are pinching the hose. Straighten up. Close your eyes. Drop your shoulders away from your ears. Let your arms hang loose or rest your hands on your knees, palms facing up to receive. Now shift your attention away from the world outside. Forget the room, forget the screen. Bring your mind into your skin. Feel the air touching your face. But don't stop there. Go deeper. through the muscle, through the fat, through the fascia. Locate your skeleton. Can you feel the weight of your thigh bones pressing into the chair or the floor? Can you feel the density of your skull? Most people live their entire lives just on the surface of their bodies. Today, we are going inside. We are going to ignite the bone-breathing engine. The mechanism is simple. Intent leads Qi, and Qi leads blood. Where your mind goes, energy flows. When you inhale, visualize a brilliant white mist surrounding your body. This mist is pure oxygen, pure vitality. As you breathe in through your nose, imagine this mist is not just entering your lungs. Imagine your skin is becoming porous, like a sponge opening up. Pull that white mist through your pores, deep into your body, all the way to the very center of your bones. Feel it penetrating the hard outer shell and filling the hollow marrow with light. Hold that breath for a second. Feel the pressure building inside. You are charging the battery. Then, exhale. As you breathe out through your mouth, visualize a dark gray smoke leaving your bones. This smoke is the old energy. It is the tiredness. It is the inflammation. Push it out through your skin, away from your body, back into the earth to be recycled. Inhale, white light into the marrow. Squeeze. Exhale, dark smoke out of the pores. Release. We are creating a hydraulic pump. With every breath, you are flushing the system. You might feel a tingling sensation, a warmth, or even a slight vibration in your hands or feet. That is the piezoelectric effect kicking in. That is your nervous system waking up. Do not force the breath. Let it be deep, slow, and silent. The power comes from your focus, not your effort. If your mind wanders, if you start thinking about your to-do list, just gently bring it back to the bone, back to the light, back to the sponge. We are going to do this for 10 cycles, 10 breaths to change the frequency of your physiology. Are you ready? Empty your lungs completely and inhale. 1. Inhale deep, visualizing that white mist entering every pore, filling your bones like light flooding a dark room. Hold. Feel the pressure. Exhale, pushing out the gray smoke, letting go of years of tension, sinking into the earth. 2. Pull the energy in. See your skeleton glowing brighter. The femur, the tibia, the spine, all illuminated from within. Exhale, release the stagnant wind. Feel your shoulders drop another inch. 3. Imagine your marrow is becoming liquid light. It is washing away the dust. It is becoming fluid, vibrant, alive. Exhale the stiffness. 4. Your breath is silent, but your intention is loud. You are commanding your cells to wake up. You are speaking the language of your own biology. Exhale the doubt. 5. Halfway there, can you feel the vibration in your hands? Can you feel the heat in your belly? That is the Qi moving. Do not question it, just feel it. Exhale the noise. 6. Inhale deeply, expanding your ribcage not just out, but in. Compressing the energy into your core. Hold it. Let it soak into the deepest tissues. Exhale, releasing everything that no longer serves you. 7. Your mind is clear. Your body is heavy, but your spirit is light. You are becoming a conduit between heaven and earth. Exhale, grounding yourself. 8. Feel the density of your bones increasing. Feel the strength of your structure. You are unshakable. Exhale, letting go of any remaining resistance. 9. Almost there. Make this breath the deepest one yet. Pull in the universe. Fill every corner of your being. Hold. Let the light saturate your marrow. Exhale, emptying completely. And 10. One final, powerful inhale. Seal the energy inside. Lock it into your bones. Exhale slowly, returning to your natural rhythm. Now do not move yet. Keep your eyes closed. Just sit in the stillness you have created. Notice the difference. 10 minutes ago, you were just a body in a room. Now, you are vibrating. You are humming with life. This sensation is your birthright. This is what it feels like to have your battery fully charged. You have just completed the first step of the marrow washing process. You have opened the door to the internal laboratory. But this is just the beginning. The Xi Sui Jing goes much deeper than just breathing. It involves movements that spiral energy through your spine and cleansing techniques that reach the brain itself. To truly master this, you need consistency. You need to do this every day until it becomes second nature, until you can turn on this internal generator at will. So here is my challenge to you. Commit to this practice for the next 7 days. Just 10 minutes a day. Come back to this video every morning and do these 10 breaths with me. See how your energy shifts. See how your sleep improves. See how your focus sharpens. If you are ready to take this journey deeper, if you want to unlock the full potential of the Xi Sui Jing, make sure you are subscribed. The next video will reveal the movements that circulate this energy we just built. But for now, carry this light with you. The power is already inside your bones. You just have to remember to breathe into it. Thank you for practicing with me. Amitofo.